Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. I've got an unboxing. This just arrived like 10 minutes ago. I called Single Origin Nitro a few times. I am reviewing Single Origin. I'm sorry about that. I'm so excited when I got myself all ready because I knew it was arriving. I haven't opened the box. I mean it. I'm wearing amaretto in British milk tea. As soon as I finished putting amaretto on, the door knocked and there was my UPS guy bringing the brand new Nitro. I haven't peeked. I haven't looked at it. I ordered mine in the color brown sugar sweet cream. So I'm really excited because that's one of my favorite colors. That one and a British milk tea are my favorites. This is from the Cafe collection from Belle Tress. Here is the card. And if you're wondering, all of the styles from the Cafe collection, they're all named after different coffees or something like about different coffees, different coffee styles, different beans, different brands. That's what they're named after. Single origin means that all the coffee beans have come from one geographic location as opposed to coffee beans that are gathered from different locations. I'm a huge coffee fan, and single origin coffees I absolutely love. All right, I'm just getting rid of everything. All right, brown sugar sweet cream. I'm taking off the tags because I keep just about every single one of my Belle Tress. This is the brand that I wear the most. Not to mention that I also style and everything, so I could never return it. If anything, I could always sell it. All right, here is brown sugar sweet cream, and I'll take you outside and show you the color. If you're not familiar with brown sugar sweet cream, we have a beautiful blend of dark, medium, and light brown, so it's perfect for brunettes. Then we have some highlighting here in a very pale blonde, and very subtle, just a tiny little bit of the palest of pale blondes. One of the things that I love the most about Belle Tress, besides their very silky fibers, is their styles, is the dimension that they give to their colors. They're absolutely gorgeous. So if you want to see brown sugar sweet cream next to British milk tea is much ashier and lighter than we have on brown sugar sweet cream. If you love shaded cappuccino from Raquel Welch, here is Well Played in shaded cappuccino. It is they're very close. If you hold them next to each other, you can see some differences, but apart, they are very similar. So if you wear primarily one or the other and you like a style from the opposite brand and you wear these colors, you could just interchange them very easily. Let's take a look at the cap since we're here. We have a temple to temple lace front, a left side part, and it's all one piece, and it appears that it goes all the way down to the back to the crown. A nice stretchy cap, as are most Belle Tress. They run on the larger side of average. We have felt covered ear tabs with the fibers attached to them, a non-extended nape, bra strap adjusters. I don't feel any permatease, but I'll know more when I put it on. But you see on this side right here, that's where the permatease would be, and that is totally flat. All right, let's try. I'm going to tighten it up a little because Belle Tress does seem to run a little bit large on me. So in order for it to fit on my 21.75 circumference, I always just tuck it in just a little bit. Of course, if you're not familiar with the style, you're not familiar with the brand, and you're not sure if you're going to keep it, it's best not to shake it, add any products to it, disturb the zigzag part, anything like that, in order for it to be returnable. I'm going to add some water and separate those fibers. I don't see an awful lot of curls here. So this is an A-line bob is what this is, according to Belle Tress. All right, let's take it off. I normally wear a wig grip, and I'm not wearing one right now because I forgot to put it on because I was so excited. Okay, similar length to Amaretto. It seems like very, very similar to Amaretto. I'll show you the lace front. I am seeing some light fibers around the lace front. The ear tabs come right down here, and here is my hairline. I did add some root powder in order to match it with the root of the wig. Maybe it is a little bit longer than Amaretto, and it has the sides are 11 to 12 inches, the back is 12 inches, the nape is 5.5, and it weighs 4.3 ounces. Let's see. There's no permatease whatsoever. And we do have a light density. What is giving it the volume is the textured layers. So it's appearing to be a little bit more. If you do not like it as with so much volume, it can be steamed. You could add a little bit more water. You can run your comb through it, but just be aware that you will lose some of these waves that we have here. So I prefer to just do it with my fingers and separate those fibers. Have I been calling it nitro this whole time? It's not nitro, it's single origin. I am so sorry. It is single origin. I don't know what I was thinking about. I was thinking about nitro, I guess, because I have that one on the way as well. All right, but we're all on the same page here. It is single origin. Let me show you the side view on single origin. We have those pretty textured layers, very subtle waves on the back. There doesn't seem to be, on mine, there doesn't seem to be much of a lift in the front, but that can be achieved with a blow dryer, with some steam. You could achieve that if that's what you like. If you don't, you could leave it down. If you want to add some bangs, you can do that, but it will require some steaming or a hot tool. Okay, so now I'm just going to move it off my face a little bit. I like this style for a very casual look. Obviously, if you have maybe, I think that Dalgona 16, well, Dalgona 16 is longer by about 4 inches. This one is about an inch or two longer than Amaretto. I don't have the measurements to Amaretto in front of me. It just seems to be about 2 inches longer. And my face from hairline to chin is 7 3/4 inches, and that way you can gauge how it will look on you. A lot of times I see the ladies on the Wig Studio One Wig and Topper support group page talking about how, oh, that wig looks so much shorter on so-and-so than it does on me. And the reason could very well be the length of the face as well as the width. So if your face is shorter than mine, then single origin will be longer on you. All right, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take some Aesthetica sea salt spray just to give it a little bit more texture, make it a little bit of a messy look. I love this. Not too long, not too short. I think it is absolutely perfect. We could wear it with a headband. We can tuck it behind the ears. And then we could add the headband. We can add a clip. We can wear it that way. Overall, I think it's a really pretty style. If you want a longer one than Amaretto or one a little bit shorter than Dalgona, I think that if you have Dalgona, you have Amaretto, you have Caliente, this is very close in the curl pattern. It's very close in the length. There's not that much of a difference. So it might be something for you to consider. But I wanted to show it to you. I wanted to let you know, because one thing is looking at the stock photos and one thing is for us to review it or to see how it looks on someone specifically. All right, let's take a walk outside so you can see brown sugar sweet cream in the sunlight, and then I'll come back. Thank you, everyone. I hope you've enjoyed this unboxing of Single Origin by Belle Tress in the color Brown Sugar Sweet Cream. The links to Single Origin will be listed down below. As you know, I purchase all of my wigs at Wig Studio One. I hope you stop over and visit us on our private Facebook group, Wig Studio One, Wig and Topper Support Group. Hope everyone is having a fantastic day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.